Hello everyone. In this video we're going to look at how we can calculate the multiplier once again based on the information that we can determine from this simple Keynesian cross model. So let's take a look. If you recall from the last video, we calculated the marginal propensity to consume based on this rise over this run. So I won't review that right now. If you want to take a look at that, take a look at the video on calculating the marginal propensity to consume. Right now, what we're going to look at is if we have our marginal propensity to consume, how can we turn that into our multiplier? So, simple formula, quick and dirty formula, 1 divided by the marginal propensity to save. Remember, the marginal propensity to save is simply 1 minus the marginal propensity to consume. Based on that, the previous video and the calculations that we performed there, we found that our marginal propensity to consume was 25%. And so our marginal propensity to save must be 75%. So 1 divided by 0.75 gives us our multiplier of 1.33. So that means in this case, every dollar that is spent in this economy will be multiplied out to $1.33.